How much does installing a bathroom extractor fan cost? We're going to take a look at all the costs included in fitting a bathroom extractor fan. One factor you need to consider is the type of bathroom fan you want. We cover all types of extractor fans and their total costs. Let's get started. A wall fan is a popular choice for most bathroom installations, as they are easy to set up and run, as well as cheap in cost. Prices can differ between £20 to £60. A ceiling fan is another popular choice for bathroom fans as it can stay out of the way and circulate the air from the center of the room. Prices can differ between £30 to £50. An axial extractor fan is the most common choice for bathroom fans and is typically attached through an external wall for short airflow, usually seen on walls. Prices can differ between £20 to £80. Centrifugal extractor fans are less common as they are used for bathrooms far away from external walls, moving air a further distance to flow outside and are typically installed in ceilings. Prices can differ between £40 to £80. The standard labor cost that an electrician can charge to install an extractor fan is £60 per hour, with a simple installation taking between 1 to 2 hours. That's everything you need to know about extractor fan costs. If you'd like more details, check out our complete cost guide below. Don't forget that MyJobQuote can supply you with a free quote from our range of electricians. Take a look at our site and find the right person to install an extractor fan.